Hey, what's up everybody? How's it going? Thanks for tuning back in. I'm Nick and I'm here with JSports Side by Side. Go ahead and introduce yourself and let everybody know what we're doing out here in the middle of nowhere.
Jeff Proctor with Honda Off-Road Racing. We're here with the JSports Side by Side hosted Talon Takeover event here in southern Utah. We're so excited to get everybody out there and on trail.
So there's so many Honda Talons out here, from the 4-seaters, the 2-seaters, turboed, NAs, Fox Live valve. What can we expect from today's ride?
You know, today is just about getting all of the Talon enthusiasts out here together, talking about all things Honda, talking about all things Talon, and what incredible machines these are that we're driving today, from 2-seat, 4-seat, and it's about having just a great time and enjoying this beautiful country that we have out here in southern Utah.
Yeah, so I'm really excited. Thank you guys so much for hosting this event. This is my first time out here in Utah, and I just hope not to get stuck.
Yeah, we're thrilled to be here. You're not going to get stuck. We're going to ensure that doesn't happen. We've got people from Massachusetts, Connecticut, the Northwest up in Oregon, here Colorado, Utah. We have people from all over that have joined us for this special event. This is the first annual, and I think it's going to be the first of many to come for the Honda Talon Takeover.
All right, so without further ado, let's get started.
Let's head out there.
Staging up.
Full tank. You have to leave here with a full tank. Take water. Take a little snack if you got it. I highly encourage that. We have lunch planned for you guys out there. But just, yeah.
And most importantly, have a great time.
Have a great time.
Yeah.
All right, get staged.
Devin Schneider from Grand Junction, Colorado. Yeah.
Rob Fisher, Grand Junction, Colorado.
Dallas Jenkins, St. Helens, Oregon.
Mitchell Jones with B&E Power Sports out of Oregon.
Craig Millay out of Beaufort, Oregon.
How's it going? My name's Chris. I came out here from Massachusetts. We flew out on Wednesday, come out here, ride some Talons through the desert. I'm running a Talon R model.
How's it going, guys? This is Rob Jones from Mesa, Arizona, driving the Arizona flag wrapped Talon, which is right on the back side of the 4-seater we have over here. First JSport event out here in Utah, and could not have had a better time, man. Absolutely great out here.
Really awesome people. We made some new friends. It was cool to get everybody together and just see everybody and what they got going on.
Favorite moment is definitely feeling the stock suspension going through the whoops. I didn't realize you could do about 40, 50, and it just eats the whoops. Definitely a blast.
Over 30 Talons that joined us for this ride. So huge shout out to Proctor and JSport side by side. The Honda Talon Takeover was a huge success. Definitely worth the drive for me. Huge shout out to Jackson Racing Turbo as well. And of course, even bigger shout out to everybody that's involved with this Honda Talon. The Fox Live Out did its thing out here. I'm so happy with the 1000R.
Just really want to thank everybody for coming from all parts of the United States to be a part of the first annual Talon Takeover. We are just thrilled with how everything went. And I just want to remind everybody to go and follow JSport Side by Side, who is our presenting sponsor, and of course the Honda Off-Road Racing Team, where you can find this Talon behind me racing in the deserts in the Southwest and Mexico throughout the year at Honda Off-Road Racing and at JSport Side by Side. Thanks for watching.